How to delete outbound rule in Windows Defender Firewall settings. To delete an outbound rule which you have created for a specific app, it's very simple. Just open up your search bar and go to Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security option. Once you come over here, you will see all these options. On the top left, click on Outbound Rules. Then select the application for which you want to delete that rule. Once you've selected that, on the right hand side, you can see many options. One of the options will be the X icon that says delete. So just click on it. It will ask you for a confirmation. So just click on yes, you want to delete these rules, and the outbound rule for that app will be deleted. You can do it for any of the other apps that you prefer and repeat the process. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon, as always, in our next video.